So what was the first step?
I don't know.
What was the second step? How do you do it? You said you were going to teach me.
First, you wind it up like this,
Uh-huh.
and then you shake your body.
Okay, you wind it up and then you shake your body?
Yeah.
And then what?
Nothing. I just wait. I still shake my body, and then when I'm done, I just step myself from the floor.
Can you move around and stuff when you're doing that?
Yes.
Like what? Can you do it on one foot? Can you kick your feet? Can you spin around in a circle?
Yes.
Can your mommy do any of this?
No.
Merry Christmas.